Well, what a week it's been.
Uau, uma semana e
What a
tanto tivemos.
several weeks it's been.
Na verdade, várias
I promise
semanas
you something.
assim.
This week
Mas com certeza
we've
nenhuma
had does
destas
not even
semanas podem
compare
comparar-se
to the week that
à
Jesus
semana
has
pela
had.
qual
On this
Jesus
week in
passou
history,
nesta
we know
semana e
this is
nessa
the week
mesma
the
época do
Passover
ano.
moon is the clue.
Sabemos que é
We
a
know what
semana do
happened on
Passover
Friday.
e sabemos que
fact,
passou numa
We
sexta-feira,
call it Good Friday.
sexta da paixão.
What's so good
Mas que paixão é
about
essa
Friday
em que um homem
when an innocent
inocente
man suffered,
sofreu,
was beaten,
foi
was spit upon,
açoitado,
was
cuspido
absolutely convicted of something he never
e
did,
acusado por atos que ele
and
nunca
put on a
praticou,
cross in front of the world,
e pregado numa
ridiculed
cruz em
and
frente ao
shamed?
mundo,
What could be so good
ridicularizado
about
e
it? I'll tell you what's
envergonhado.
good about it.
Mas que paixão
That
é
day,
essa?
somebody
Eu
fought
vou
for you.
explicar.
Somebody fought
Naquela
for me.
paixão tão grande que o
won.
fez cair por você e por
That's
todos
what's so
nós,
good
e ele
about Good
venceu.
Friday. This day
Essa é a
is
verdadeira
one of the
paixão
most
da
incredible
sexta-feira.
days in history
Esse dia é o mais
because of
incrível da
everything that
história,
happens in
por
those
tudo que
hours.
aconteceu
So let me read
naquelas
the text. In
horas.
fact, I'll set it up for
Deixa eu
you.
ler o texto.
About 9
Aliás, vou
o'clock,
citar o
after they put him
texto.
on the cross.
Aí pelas 9
By
da
the time they
manhã,
finished the trial,
e a hora
by
que
the time they
puseram na
finished all
cruz,
the
isso
other
foi mais
stuff,
ou menos
they put
quando
him on the
terminaram o
cross about 9
julgamento
o'clock.
e tudo mais.
And from 9 o'clock
Portanto,
until
das
3 in the
9
afternoon, for 6
até as
hours,
3 da tarde.
he
Portanto,
suffered.
por 6 horas ele
For 6
sofreu.
hours, they walked by him, made fun of him, they ridiculed him for 6 hours.
Fizeram chacota dele,
As it got near that last hour,
ridicularizaram-no
I'm going to
e
read
o
the text
pregaram
out of
naquela
John's
cruz.
Gospel, John
Eu vou
19.
ler o texto para vocês
And this is the text
do
for us
Evangelho de
today,
João,
this Good Friday.
19, versos
As he
28
drew near the end of that 6
a
hours, after
30.
this, Jesus,
Agora Jesus
knowing that
sabia
all was
que
now
tudo
finished,
estava completado.
said to fulfill the scripture,
Então,
I
para que se
thirst.
cumprisse o que dizem as
And a jar
Escrituras,
full of sour wine
disse:
stood there. So they put a sponge full of the sour wine
Estou
on a
com
hyssop
sede.
branch.
Havia ali
And
uma
they held it.
vasilha cheia de
It was wine.
vinagre comum,
And when Jesus
molharam-no
had
no vinho
received the sour
com
wine,
uma esponja,
he said,
puseram a esponja num bastão de ísopo
"It
e encostaram na
is
boca de Jesus.
finished."
Quando ele tomou do vinho,
When he had
disse:
said these words,
Tudo
he
está
bowed his head
complicado.
and he gave up
Então,
his spirit.
baixou a cabeça
He was gone.
e o
It was
espírito
done.
dele se foi.
What's so
Por que
important
essas
about those
três
3 words?
palavras são
is
tão importantes?
Of all the
Está
sayings of Jesus
completo.
from the cross, those are the ones
De
that
todas
always
as
attract me.
palavras
Those are the
ditas por
ones that
Jesus naquela
just hit
cruz,
me.
essas duas são as
Because
que
to think
marcam
that
mais
someone
fundo no meu coração.
would fight for me.
Porque só em
To think that
pensar que
someone would
alguém
go through
lutaria
that for
por
me.
mim,
And so whatever
ou
he
passaria
said,
por tudo aquilo
it's
por mim,
something about
e o que ele
us.
dizia era algo
For
sobre
example, it's not just
nós.
saying it's finished, meaning my earthly
Não era
ministry.
sobre o seu
I don't
ministério ter
believe that's what he meant.
terminado,
And it wasn't it is finished
ou
like
que esse
this
dia
day is over or
tivesse
my
acabado,
time here. I mean, all those
ou missão
suggestions,
cumprida.
I don't believe it. The word is a Greek word,
Essa palavra é de
telestai,
origem grega
that means
e é
something's been wrapped
telestai,
up, something's been
o que quer
concluded.
dizer alguma coisa
What was
foi
it?
concluída.
It was a fight.
Fechou-se um círculo. Na
You know,
verdade,
I've gotten in very few fights in my life,
no passado eu
especially after
estive em
I
algumas
became a
discussões,
follower and got serious about my walk.
logo quando eu havia
But
recentemente
we were at a
recebido a
water park one day,
Jesus.
and
Estávamos em
our
um parque
kids were there, and
aquático e
I don't
Andrew,
remember. Andrew was the one that it happened to.
não
There was a
sei
kid that
como,
was bullying him, and
encontrou um
just
menino
he was
que
really
implicava
being
com ele.
unkind, and I just walked
Estava
over and
sendo
kind
bem
of separated him and
irritante,
said,
então eu
"Hey,
separei os
you
dois
need to leave him alone or
e
whatever."
disse ao
And
menino:
then I look
Deixa
up
ele em
and here comes
paz.
the kid's dad.
O que está fazendo
Well,
não é
normally with
aceitável.
my frame, most
Em
people I look
seguida
down
vem o
on.
pai
I
do
look up
garoto,
on this guy.
mas geralmente com a minha
This guy
altura eu
was
sempre
big.
olho para baixo quando
And my
quero
first
conversar
thought
com
was, I
alguém,
need to get
mas
out of
com
this.
esse
I
indivíduo
cannot
eu olhei
fight
para
this guy
cima.
here.
O
It's
cara era um
making fun of his son.
armário.
I mean, this is so
Então eu
inappropriate.
pensei,
So I just said, "Hey man,
não
I'm
posso
just
lutar com
trying
esse
to
cara aqui,
make sure
principalmente em
that
frente ao meu
everybody has a
filho. E
good
disse ao
time
pai
out
do
here."
guri que estava
Well, they are. I said,
separando-os,
"No, they're not.
e
Your
ele
son
disse
needs to
porque
be
eles não
controlled.
estão se divertindo,
Control your son." And
está
so
tudo
we kind
bem.
of got into a
E
little
eu disse ao
verbal
pai do
sparring.
garoto, você tem
Now
que
that's all it
controlar
was.
seu
Nothing ever
filho.
happened. We just walked
E
away.
partimos então para uma
I
discussão
told that
meio
story
sem
one time.
sentido, mas nada aconteceu.
From
Fomos
that day, I
cada um
told
para o
that
nosso
story.
lado.
Andrew, as a little boy, would
E eu
ask me
contei
when I'd
essa
go to
história
preach
uma
somewhere,
vez.
"Hey, Dad,
E Andrew,
are you
quando
going to
ainda
tell
era
him about that day you
pequenino,
fought for me? Are you going to tell him that story about when you fought for me?" I wanna tell
achava
you a
que o
story
pai
about
era
somebody who
super
fought.
para
'Cause if
defendê-lo.
it meant that much to
E
him, then
todas as
Dad would
vezes
stand
ele
up for him.
pedia
Oh
para
my
eu
goodness.
contar e
The
perguntava se eu
King
ia
of the
contar
Ages
aquela
stood up for
história.
you. The one who created the heavens and the earth
E a
fought for
história
you.
verdadeira é que aquele que
And when he
criou
said it is finished,
céus e
there's
terras
some meaning that I want to make sure you
lutou com
understand
você.
today.
E quando ele
Number one,
disse está tudo
it is
completado, isso
finished.
quer dizer
You
alguma
don't have to fight
coisa.
anymore. You see, from the very beginning, there's been a
Acabou.
war.
Você não
It's
tem
not
mais
with
que
you, it's
lutar.
over you.
Desde o início
we
existe
have
uma
been in the
luta,
fight.
não em você,
I mean, you
mas por
remember
você,
even
até mesmo no
beginning,
início,
that war in the garden,
quando
when
Adão e
Adam and Eve
Eva
made the mistake and followed
erraram
the enemy
e seguiram o
and a battle
inimigo, uma batalha
And how
começou.
many times in Scripture
E
has
quantas
man fought
vezes
his
na
way back?
Escritura
We fought trying to
caímos
do the right thing,
tentando
or trying
fazer
to
o
be the people
correto,
that we
ser
were supposed to
aquilo
be.
que
There's a moment
aquele
when
que
Moses was
deveríamos
standing
ser.
at the Red Sea in
Naquele
Exodus,
momento,
and he's
em
got the Red
Êxodo,
Sea in front of him.
quando
He's got the
Moisés
people
estava
of
em
Israel
frente
with
ao
him,
Mar
and then all of a
Vermelho,
sudden the Egyptians
todo
are coming.
aquele povo com
So
ele,
he's in a really
o
a
mar
bad
na
spot,
frente
and he looks
e os
up and
egípcios
he said, Lord,
chegando. Era um
what
momento
do I do?
crítico e ele
Why did you
disse:
bring me to this
Senhor,
point?
o que é
And
que eu
this is what the
faço?
Lord said.
Moisés
Moses, hold
disse,
your peace.
Deus
I will
disse,
fight
fique
for
em
you.
paz, eu lutarei por
I think
você.
it's one of the most beautiful
E esse é um dos mais
words
belos
that
momentos quando estamos numa
ever be
luta
uttered from heaven
intensa,
when you're in a mess, when we're
como o
facing something like
coronavírus
the
agora,
coronavirus, when we're facing the struggle
como a
of
gente está
our life and
encarando
the
todos esses
temptations that are
problemas
part
na
of our
frente
life,
da
to hear
gente.
Jesus say, hey,
Jesus está
you can hold your
dizendo,
peace because I've already
fique
fought
em
for you.
paz, que eu já
I've
lutei
already
por
fought.
você.
You see, he fought to defeat
Ele
an enemy.
sempre
He
lutou.
fought to
O
defeat
inimigo, ele sempre
sin.
lutou.
And he fought to defeat that one who wants
E ele
to
lutou
destroy
para
us. Can I
acabar
read what Paul said
com
about
tudo por
that
nós.
fight? I'm in Colossians chapter 2.
Sobre
Starting
aquela
in verse
briga, a
14,
gente pode
Jesus,
ir
by
para
canceling the record of debt that stood
Colossenses
against
2,
us with its
14.
legal demands. This he set it aside. He
E
nailed
ele
it
disse,
to the cross. He
ele
disarmed the rulers and
colou
authorities and he
isso
put
na
them to
cruz
open shame
e o
by
colocou
triumphing
em
over
frente de
them
muita vergonha.
in him. You know what that says?
E nele,
That on the day Jesus died
e o
on
que
the cross,
diz isso é que no dia
our
que
enemy. In fact,
Jesus
he
morreu
disarmed
naquela
He made
cruz,
public spectacle of him on this
que
day.
foi feito um espetáculo dele,
So the good news is
as trevas
finished.
acabaram.
we don't have to fight that battle.
E a boa nova
We
é,
just have to trust
está
him. There is one
completo, está
living in us
completado.
that is
A gente
bigger
não
and
precisa
stronger
brigar
than
mais,
anything
porque
we will
Deus,
face. There's one
Jesus,
living in us
está
to give us
vivendo dentro da
strength
gente.
to face whatever it may be,
E a gente não precisa
pandemic or
mais
anything
fazer
else.
força ou
Hold
lutar
your peace. He
para
has already fought.
conseguir combater alguma
Second
coisa,
thing,
porque
it is
Ele
finished.
está
You don't have to
combatendo por
run anymore.
nós. A
You
segunda
don't have to run
coisa,
from him.
a gente
No,
não
it's
precisa
finished.
correr dele ali
He was
mais.
open wide. You remember what happened in the
Não
temple
precisa
when he died?
correr do
Immediately,
perigo.
the veil was torn in two. What did that say? Well, that
Quando
said
ele,
something was
quando ele
coming out,
faleceu, quando ele
obviously,
morreu
the
na
presence of
cruz,
God
o
in a new
véu
living
foi
way,
rasgado de
but
cima a
that also
baixo,
means something was invited in.
o que quer dizer que no Holy
So
of
we don't have to
Holies, no
run from
Santo
him.
dos Santos,
In the very
ele
beginning, when Adam
ou
and Eve sinned,
alguém
you remember
ou
what they
alguma
did?
coisa
Immediately,
foi
they hid
convidada
from
para
him.
entrar.
That's just the nature of sin.
Todos podemos
We
entrar
hide from him, we
agora.
run from him.
Isso é só o que
And Jesus
pecado isso.
says, come. Any of you
Jesus
who are
diz,
thirsty, I'll
venha,
give you drink. Any of
qualquer
you are
um de
heavy laden,
vocês
any
que
of you that are
seja
tired
com
and weary.
sede,
Oh, he
aqueles
invites
que
us to
estão
come. I am
cansados.
so thankful for this day because it's
E hoje em
finished. I don't have
dia,
to run anymore.
eu sou tão agradecido
He
por esse
welcomes me
dia,
into his presence.
porque eu não vou ter
Last
que
thing,
correr mais.
because of this day,
Ele me deu as
It is
boas-vindas para sua
I don't
presença.
have to be afraid anymore.
E por causa desse dia,
See, the
repito,
Hebrews,
eu não
the
tenho
writer
mais
says
que
that he
ter medo.
destroyed the devil
Em
and he
Hebreus,
set us free from
a
the
palavra
fear
diz que ele
of death.
destruiu
On this day,
o inimigo.
he beat death.
E nesse
So the one
dia,
enemy we fear most, I mean, it's what everybody
ele
fears
acabou
most.
com
In this
eles.
season, as we're listening
E
to
essa
the count,
estação
how many have the
agora,
virus, how many died,
não
it
importa o
could
que a
bring
gente
fear
conta,
into you.
quantos têm o vírus,
I can
quantos
just tell you,
morreram
Jesus doesn't
ou
want you to
quantos
be afraid of it.
sobreviveram.
That's what's
Jesus
good
está
about this
dizendo para a
Friday.
gente que a gente não tenha medo.
He wants you to have confidence. He wants you to
Ele
have
quer
peace.
que você tenha confiança e paz
And
nele,
not only has he got you in this world, but the
que
moment
ele
you
está
leave
com
this world,
você.
you're in his presence.
Não para morrer nesse mundo ou não para
So
viver
he not
nesse
only
mundo,
destroyed our enemy,
mas para estar com ele.
he set us free from the fear
E ele
that the
disse:
enemy wants to bring, the fear
não
of death.
tenha mais medo.
This day changed everything.
O inimigo quer te botar para
We don't have to
baixo,
fight anymore.
mas nesse
We don't have to
dia,
run
a partir
anymore.
desse dia, a gente não
We
tem
don't have
mais
to
que
be
brigar.
afraid
A gente
in
não tem
life
mais que ter medo, a gente não
because
precisa correr
Jesus defeated
de mais
death. You know, I
nada,
learned something about
porque
possums
Deus
when we
acabou
had
com o
a
inimigo.
coon problem. Raccoons were getting in our
Normalmente a
garage,
gente
possums
tem
were getting
assim
in.
uns
I was
problemas
reading,
com
we were trying to figure out what to do.
guaxinim,
You know
uns
something I read
problemas
about a possum?
com
A possum will
enfim,
sometimes
com
move into a hole
pestes.
that another animal's
Você já
dug
ouviu
and
falar
burrowed
do,
in,
do,
and
do,
a
do
possum will move
gambá?
in. But there's one thing a
O
possum will
gambá,
not do.
quando ele
He
vai
will never
procurar
go in a
abrigo,
hole when
ele
he
entra
sees
sempre num
only
buraco
tracks
que já
going in.
teve uma peste ali,
In other words, he
rodendo ali.
only will go in a hole if there are
Mas
tracks
ele
also
só
coming
entra
out.
em,
Can I just
em,
tell
em
you the good news
covas que
today is
tenha duas
we're not following
vias,
one, but where
ida e
there are
vida
tracks only into that
de
place. We're
passinhos.
following
Ele
one
nunca
that are
entra
tracks
num buraco que não tenha, que só
Let's
tenha
be like a
um
possum.
passinho. Vamos ser
Quit
como os
following the things
gambás.
that lead to death and fear,
Vamos acompanhar aquele
and let's
que
follow the one who
liderou
defeated,
morte
who
e
defeated
medo
and
e que
set us free from
acabou
the fear.
e nos
See,
fez
I
livres.
long time ago heard a song
Eu ouvi uma
changed
canção há muito tempo
I mean, I can tell
que
you
me
exactly
mudou
where
um
it was.
bocado.
I was telling Pastor Danny
E eu posso
recently,
te
I was
dizer
giving him the
exatamente
exact
onde era. Eu estava
descriptions where I
comentando
was,
isso com o
and I
pastor
heard this
Danny D.
song.
Armas.
And the title of the song
E eu
is It
ouvi
Is
a,
Finished. It's
a,
written by Bill and
eu ouvi a
Gloria Gaynor.
canção e a canção quer dizer está
And all it
completado.
talks about is that moment
E tudo
on
que
this
fala a
day for the
canção
army
é sobre aquele momento,
when he
nesse
won.
dia, quando ele
It goes like
venceu.
this. There's a line that's been drawn through the
Ela
ages.
vai mais ou menos assim.
And on that line stands
Tem
an
uma
old rugged
linha que
cross.
foi desenhada entre
On
as
that cross, a battle
idades,
is raging
que
for the gain of man's
que
soul
na cruz
or its loss.
um
On one
homem
side marches
com a
the
sua
forces of
alma
evil,
foi
all the demons
perdido
and the devils of hell,
e todos
But
os
on the other,
demônios
the angels of glory. And they
e
meet
diabos
on
do
Golgotha's
inferno
The
e
earth
todos
shakes
os anjos do
with the force
Senhor
of that conflict. The
encontraram-se
sun
ali
refuses
no
to shine.
Golgota.
And there hangs God's
O
son
sol
in the
não mais
balance.
brilhou,
And then, through the
mas
darkness, he cries, It is finished.
Deus venceu
The battle is over.
a
It
escuridão.
is finished.
Deus
There'll
venceu
be no
as
more
trevas.
war.
Não
It is finished.
existe
The
mais
end of the
guerra.
conflict. It is finished.
O conflito
Jesus.
acabou. Está completado.
What's so good about Good Friday?
Jesus está na cruz. E o
And
que é
Jesus
mais bonito sobre tudo isso é que Ele está na cruz e Ele é o Senhor.